talk as well. Good time to welcome Sacchitanand Uttekar of Tradebulls for a quick technical check on the market. Sachi, the last couple of trading sessions we've been recovering from lows. Do you believe that the bottom formation process is on and we can continue to move higher from here on? If yes, what's your call on the index, both Nifty and Nifty Bank?
Good morning, Mangalam. Good morning, Nigel. Clearly, I think the market momentum has been very stable on the positive side. In the last couple of trading sessions, we have seen that the Nifty is holding well above its 5-day exponential moving average as well. The level is placed somewhere close to 22,460, 470 kind of a zone, and that particular level has been retained, on a closing basis. The immediate hurdle for the index is placed at 22,650, where its 20-day exponential moving average is placed. So we are of the opinion that there is a very strong momentum play which is supporting this trend, and we may see a good expansion going forward. We are expecting this particular rally to continue towards 22,900, 23,000 during this particular series itself, and that's why we are recommending building long positions. Even for today's, from a today's closing point of view, I think 22,650 would be very crucial. We are anticipating that the base at around 22,450 may not be violated in today's session, and we may see a good strong momentum play in the second half towards 22,650, 22,700. I think this is the range where we are expecting today's expiry. When we look at Nifty Bank data as well, the 48,000 support has been very strong. The upper side of the range is placed at around 49,000. The intermediate, midpoint is placed somewhere close to around 48,600. So even here, the base formation is in progress, and we may see a very strong rally unfolding in Nifty Bank as well. So even here, we are anticipating that the initial move can be towards 48,600. But going forward in the next couple of weeks, we may see the Nifty Bank as well scaling above 49,000.
Got it. Okay. So you're sounding more optimistic, Sachi. What about individual stocks?
Nigel, I think today's momentum is clearly evident in all the defense counters, and here HL has been very consistent. If you look at last, a couple of weeks, the stock has already formed a reversal bottom. We are anticipating that this particular momentum would continue towards its 20-week exponential moving average, which is placed somewhere close to around 3880. We are expecting that the 3500 hurdle, wherein the put writers have been, call writers have been very confident. I think this particular level would be breached in today's session itself, and we may see a very strong momentum play unfolding here. And that's why we are recommending this stock on the long side. With a stop loss at around 34.10 on a closing basis, we are anticipating that this move can unfold towards 38.80 in a week's time. Disclosure would be that we have recommended this trading position to our clients as well. The other stock on our radar is Siemens Limited. Even here, if you look at the weekly charts, there's a clear-cut engulfing bullish formation which was established last week. Even today, if you look at the closing data, which may form, we may see this particular level of around 49.80, 45,000 would be cleared on a closing basis, and that's why we are also expecting momentum play even in Siemens. We are expecting a move towards 52.40 in a week's time, and even here some aggressive long positions can be considered. The stop loss for the trade should be placed at around 49.40 on a closing basis.
Take that point, Sachi. Thank you so much for joining in and giving us your views on individual stocks and the indices. With that, let's get you some ideas of profit coming in from our